Hello and welcome to Healthy Life Channel. Today we tell you how to start a successful home workout routine.
Set clear goals. Define your goal with your home workout routine. Whether it's losing weight, building muscle, improving endurance. Start small and gradual. Avoid diving into intense workouts right away. Create a consistent schedule. Consistency is key to seeing results. Choose specific days and times for your home workouts that align with your daily routine. Choose workouts you enjoy. Select activities you genuinely enjoy, whether it's bodyweight exercises, yoga, dance workouts. Set up a dedicated space. Designate a space in your home for workouts. It doesn't need to be large, but have a clear area with enough room to move around.